Previously, how to make food for two.
This week on the Sailing Brothers,
we could drill one that's slightly just below. It's generally falling apart anyway. Well, that's the lamb.
oh, it's birdie bee, this stuff.
I'm good.
I don't nice to meet you.
Yeah. My name's Luke. Luke, yeah.
Luke, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Sure.
So there seems to be some sort of person up the mast. It's Adam. We thought it would be a good time in this lovely calm bay just to check the rigging.
Everything's fine up there, everything checks out. We're good for the next, I'd say 5,000 miles, do another check. So on to the rest of the work.
We've noticed a clicking noise going from our boom, and what we think it is, we think the boom end is a little bit loose. It's loose. This is loose. You pull it back from the bottom, you can see it moving. Is it moving? No, I just moved it. Yeah, have a look. If we hold that. It moving on the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, see it?
Yeah.
You can see the thing moving.
Rivets moving, these here on the side.
It's like the hole
They've worn out. This is our soft shackle. Look at that. It's damaged.
It is damaged.
Being on there. It's like burnt.
Don't trust that.
On there,
It's
and
only
it's
been on
wearing
there,
on
isn't
there.
Yeah, it's wearing on there.
It's wearing on there as well.
Oh, I don't trust it.
Wearing
I don't trust
away.
it now. Everybody says use soft shackles, and this is Dyneema. It was given to us. We'd never buy it because it's too expensive. But it's not
It's
lasting.
broken. Look. Give you another couple of thousand miles, that'll be gone.
If that goes and one of us is on the
Smash you in the face.
on this side of the boom with the wind on this side, you'll push you overboard and potentially kill you. Try drilling rivets out, but they're just spinning, so we're just going to knock the head off. Oh, also not that bad, are they?
No.
Got the rivets out. They don't look too bad, to be honest. We're just trying to see if this lip goes all the way around on the inside, or if it's just like little fangs.
Just fangs.
We could drill one that's slightly just below, half a centimetre below this one. Do you want to do that?
What if we put a new rivet in there, a new rivet in there in the original holes, and then if it's still a bit wobbly, we can drill just above it and put another 2 rivets in there. This one.
Am I stronger than you?
Your hands may be stronger than me.
Yes.
Solid now, then.
Solid, is it?
Yeah, I think this was put on a tiny bit of movement in the bottom.
See what it's like, just keep an eye on it then, isn't it?
Yeah, this was put on in rudders. It's done 25,000 miles, I think.
Yeah, at least done 20,000, didn't it?
So that the rivets have done 20,000 miles. The movement, slight movement. Keep an eye on it, it's fine. There's no problem. What about these? I thought you wanted to replace these.
No, they're fine. They're solid as well. Look at them.
That one's worn off the head.
It's only up on the top and left. And the other boom doesn't do anything, does it really?
There you go, job done. Happy?
Some people may have noticed that our floor is missing. Well, we have a little problem with our floor.
What's this from? Yeah, been having issues with our cockpit floor grate. Basically, it's rotten.
Yeah, it's falling apart.
This has been on the boat since we bought her.
Christ, it's bad, isn't it?
It's rotten. It's rotten as an old
Sea dog.
sock. Look, just falls apart.
It stinks.
We're trying to prolong its life,
Yeah,
and now the end's fallen off.
because they're so damn expensive.
We don't want to chuck it away because it'll look awful. We want to try and We're going to cover it. We're going to epoxy it, and we fiberglass it.
I don't know what we're doing, are we? Are we doing that?
I think so.
Does it even go in? It's generally falling apart anyway.
So what we're thinking is putting a strip of fiberglass all along the bottom here.
People are going to be screaming in the car.
It's totally rotten. Look at it.
Yeah,
So,
don't break it.
You know, that'll glass that together, and then maybe some around the side.
The glass wrong there. You'll have to fold the glass wrong there, though, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Because you couldn't just put it there; it wouldn't work. We haven't got any. Have we got any pins, nail pins?
No.
Oh, we're in the middle of nowhere.
First of all, we're just going to tack it
With a screw into the rotten wood.
hold it together, and then put some glass on there.
So this is our paintbrush. A little bit hard. Oh, here's the other one. There's no paintbrush in them. It's in there.
I'll get you a new paintbrush. Spare one.
God. Oh no. This is Adam's plan. I don't think it's going to work, but whatever.
Strips on like this.
Put strips on there, etc. all the way down to here, but I just don't think it's going to work. Then you're going to have to put a strip on this side and a strip on the other side and a strip on there.
This is our only option.
I think when this generally just totally and 100% falls apart, we're not going to get another one made like this because they're too expensive. They cost like £1,000, don't they?
It's ridiculous.
So I think we're just going to get boards with like cut out grooves to make it look semi okay and just put that in there. It's too expensive otherwise.
Yeah.
The cameras, I think. I haven't got much faith in it. Don't know
It's
why.
strong glass and fiberglass.
I feel like a bit of a fool. We've missed it all, lad.
Oh, I'm just going back. Look at that. Luke was very, like,
Well, that's the lamp.
oh, it's birdie beat this stuff. I'm not gonna wary, but I think it's gonna turn out okay. That's so strong. The first layer will go on there, and then we can put maybe some more on there, make it a bit stronger. You know, over the next couple of days, build it up, make it really strong.
Next couple of days, we're sailing tomorrow.
Oh yeah. Okay, now we'll go down.
Let's put it in
Tomorrow?
Well, we'll have to go in your V-berth because you can't stand on it.
We can slowly work on it over the next couple of days. You know, when we're not sailing, like.
The problem was we're putting it down. We always do the washing and the dishes in the thing.
Cockpit.
And all the dishwater is getting into this wood. I don't think it's the washing for the clothes.
I remember once we brought it up and we had maggots, didn't we?
Yeah, we had maggots underneath the wood. It's
Underneath
what's in
it.
the wood. So
The grey water and the water of the food that's in the water and your dishes,
bits of food.
it gathers in there and flies land on it, and then it stinks like sewage, doesn't it?
We've done it. And now it's in the way until it goes off inside the boat. Maybe we should have done this outside.
Well, yeah, it'll all go off and have to move later. We'll just work around it for now, I think. Okay. Oh, I've seen the position. Right.
It's actually turning out quite good, this. It's like a barrier keeping out of them after my space.
Yeah, I got my phone there.
Yeah. This is good. I like this.
Nice if the table moved out enough like that, so I can eat my tea on here properly.
Yeah.
Because otherwise I'm shuffled right forward like that, eating like that. It's uncomfortable.
We could leave this here permanently.
Yeah. Go for a run at 2 o'clock and something like that.
Yeah.
How many miles do I want to run today?
How many miles do you want to run?
I can get 6 done.
I'd like 7. Just been out for the run and I'm quite happy with the way this has gone off. It hasn't gone off 100% yet, but it's like little strips. And what we're going to do, we're going to put another load of strips on it, and then we're going to put a strip down here as well, haven't we, Ed?
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do next. We'll have to mix up some more stuff. Been out for a run in the villages, and the kids were loving it, running. They were, every time we passed a load of kids, they would just stop what they're doing, playing in the sea or whatever, and they'd be running next to us, wouldn't they? Yeah. They were loving it, weren't they? It was so fun.
Running, yeah.
Oh god.
They're just so much fun. We've gone for it. Yeah. Put a strip now because there's quite a lot of epoxy left.
It's got to last us until we get back to Wales.
I know. I think that's a job well done. We are in Port Sandwich. Atlas is anchored out in the bay and we're going to explore the land here. I tell you what, it does look absolutely incredible already. Very traditional. Port Sandwich is a small traditional community located on the southeastern tip of Malakula Island here in Vanuatu. The primary language spoken is Bislama and French, and very few people speak any English, but we managed to communicate enough to get by.
Crazy. It's like a different world here, totally different world. It's like we're in a different country.
Is it? Is it
What do you think it is?
Is it where they burn rubbish? Not going to cook on here, are they?
Is it a smoker? There's all gridding on here, smoking. Look at that. I think it's a smoking. It's all gridding on here.
Could well be a
They're smoking fish and stuff.
Quite blown away already by this place. It's very traditional way of living. Beautiful. And there's Luke with his traditional putting on deet.
Because they got my Jesus sandals.
Yeah, Luke bought new sandals, look. Do you like them, everyone? Rate them out of 10.
I just don't like them because my feet are naked. I have naked feet. Here is a traditional bike coming down.
Oh, yeah.
Made out of traditional metals.
Made out of traditional wood.
Yeah. Here is a, yes, this bike is 150 years old.
That's nice.
Hello. Look at it, it's so crazy. I don't mean, you know, it's like medieval it is, but I don't mean to offend these people that live in here. Hello. It's so crazy. Hey. Hello, nice to meet you. It's camera. Camera. See? Have a look. See? Camera. Hey, camera. I can see the screen there.
We're in.
We're in. It's amazing in here. Amazing. Wow, amazing house.
Hello.
Hello.
My name is Didier.
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 My name's Adam.
Adam.
Adam,
Yeah.
nice to meet you.
My name's Luke.
Look.
Luke, yeah.
Look, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
So,
Ah,
I speak French.
French.
French. Okay.
Oh, we speak English.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can-
Understand.
Yeah.
Small.
Okay.
Where you go back?
On a boat.
Boat,
Yeah.
Yacht.
Yeah, a yacht. Yeah.
Walking up
Yeah.
to the market.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gonna get some bits and pieces from up there, yeah, today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Love your house.
Traditional.
Lovely.
Yeah.
You arrived today or yesterday?
The other day.
Yeah.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Very hot today.
Yeah,
Hot.
very
Hot, really
yeah.
hot, yeah.
Very hot, yeah.
Humid.
Yeah.
Very humid, yeah.
Zijn we binnen finish?
Hey.
What's he gonna cook?
What is it?
Egg. The fire.
Oh, cooking on the fire.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
having some lunch, is it?
You open finish? Sorry.
Oh, you
No,
carry
it's
on,
fine,
you
it's
carry on.
fine. Carry on. This is
Why
really
you
interesting.
you come back here?
Yeah.
You walk in town?
Yeah, walking into town.
Into town.
Come back.
We'll
Yeah,
come
we
back.
will come back, yeah.
Yeah.
So you bring some two problems.
Oh.
Ah, what are they? Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Was it orange, is it?
No, problems.
Lagoon.
Big problems.
Ooh. Never tried it before.
No ranis, no.
Yeah. Well, ooh.
No, give one those. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh,
You don't want to take your stuff.
Yeah, you taking some banana?
sure.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Give them some money or
Yeah.
something.
Some money? I'll give you some money. Got it. Fine. As we walk through the charming village of Port Sandwich, you'll notice the traditional wooden huts with thatched roofs, reflecting the rich culture heritage of the community. The people here hold strong values of respect, cooperation and a deep connection to their land and sea. Their diet is based on locally sourced foods like yams, taro, sweet potato and fresh seafood. They also enjoy a variety of tropical fruits such as bananas, papayas, mangoes and coconuts, which are abundant thanks to the fertile volcanic soil and tropical climate. The villagers are incredibly friendly and welcoming, and their happiness is contagious. The children, always smiling and full of joy, are a true testament to the vibrant spirit of Port Sandwich.
Come to the end of the village. There's the reef and there's the open ocean. Tomorrow we shall be sailing down that way. We were going to go today, but there's no wind. Adam's around somewhere. Maybe he's in his new house. What are we looking at?
The current out there on the point, it doesn't say anything about it.
With low water.
No, it's just current coming up from this island. Go on, grab the new floor. Well, the repaired floor. It's not quite done yet, it needs sanding.
I thought it was done. Is it going to work?
Of course.
Looks bubbly. Oh, it's just water. God, see if it falls apart now.
It's leaky. Solid.
Do you reckon it is?
Yeah, it's completely solid. We'll go in now in about 15 minutes. Just gotta set the mainsail out, get things ready, and then we're gonna start making our way out.
We're going to have to motor it out.
Yeah, there's
Didn't
no,
want to.
there's no wind in here.
I'm desperate to get them all going.
Yeah, I'm getting the motor shakes. We ran out of toilet roll days and days ago.
Like 4 days ago. I can't fill the Genoa stuck. Both been a little bit nervous on this one. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe and share, because it really does help us out. And
Huge thank you to all our incredible club members on Patreon for making this adventure possible.